Hey, Chef Rick St. John here with Castle Rock Burgers. Today we're going to be looking at the conventional way of flipping a burger as we see here. Now look at the bottom of that burger. Look at all of the juice. That is the flavor of the burger being grilled away. That is a loss of flavor to that burger. Now let's look at the CRB Wow Spatula. We flip it over very gently, lay it down, and there's virtually no juice at all coming out of that burger. That means not only is the juice staying in that burger, but we have a better chance of keeping a juicy and flavorful burger using the CRB Wow Spatula. Here we're demonstrating the CRB Wow Spatula while flipping burgers. We can gently flip the burger and not lose the juice and keep the flavor within. Here we're doing 3 hot dogs at one time. This is really handy rather than using tongs. Here we're using it on the chicken breast. Again, we not only can we flip different meats, but we can put them exactly where we want them on the grill. 1-inch thick pork chops, very easy. Easier than tongs. Tongs, you know, there's a gripping issue sometimes, and there's dexterity issues. Here we've got a ribeye steak that we're flipping, and here we're going to flip a New York strip. So the CRB Wow Spatula works on a variety of meats, including fish, and very handy and very easy to use.